Gemini 3 is insane. After 50 hours testing, I found a workflow that makes product or training videos with no filming or editing. Here's how it works. First, open gemini.google.com. Just say, I want to make a 60 seconds product video, then upload your materials, and it automatically creates the perfect plan for you, including script structure, scene breakdowns, camera angles, all done in under 10 seconds. It even tells you which camera angles to use. Next, here's the really cool part. Take the script Gemini created and drop it straight into Rendora. It automatically adds the right camera shots, adds avatar movements, syncs voice, facial expressions, and subtitles perfectly. And just like that, you have a video ready to publish. Maybe you used to spend a whole month coordinating shoots and teams. Now it only takes 15 minutes. Plus, you can go back anytime, tweak the script, adjust the actions or scenes, even change the language, meaning you can create endless videos like this. If you're in a startup, SaaS, product, training, or marketing team, Gemini and Rendora are the ideal combination for fast, cost-efficient video production. Try this workflow for yourself, and you'll see the real magic of the AI era is being able to create the content you need 100 times faster.